This is your life. Life goes on day after day, year after year, 40 years or more. And it's all because you're stuck in the system of trading your time for money. But what if someone told you there's another way to live? You hear it, but you're not really listening. You don't quite understand because your alarm, your commute, the noise, the stress, it's all already become your life. But stop for a moment. Really stop and think. How would your life look if you had all the time and money you wanted? Would you go back to your job? Would you set your alarm clock again? Or would you spend time with your family, your kids, your grandkids, your friends? Would you work on new projects, travel, learn new things, and focus on what truly brings you joy? What I'm trying to tell you is that there is another way to make money and have all the time you want. And the craziest part, you're already doing it. You just don't realize it yet, but you're not getting paid for it. So let me tell you more. Please contact me.